If you are having high cholesterol level, you need to think on one fundamental point, and that is our body is made up of the food which we eat in our day-to-day life. And if your body is not healthy, or if you're having high cholesterol, that means the food which you are eating is not healthy. So in this video, I'm going to explain 3 superfoods which can help you to lower down your cholesterol level. Now, I'm calling them superfoods because they are very beneficial for your for your body as a whole. So number one, fruits. So for example, apple, grapes, all of the citrus fruits, which brings soluble fiber to your body. They are very good for lowering down the cholesterol level. Second, whole grains and barley. This is second thing basically, which are extremely good to include in your diet to lower down your cholesterol. And third, oats. So every day in the morning, a breakfast of a bowl of oats is very healthy if you're serious to lower down your cholesterol level. In addition to these three, you can also include nuts if you're not allergic, soya products, which are also very good for lowering down. So I hope you find this video informative. I've given more instructions, more information in the description links below in the video. Should you have any query, feel free to write it in the comment section and I will be more than happy to answer it. And if you find it informative and would like to help others, feel free to share it or subscribe the channel to receive the notification first when any other new health videos uploaded. Thank you very much for watching this video.